Hi Peter, good evening. Let me first begin by asking you about your big expectations from today's debate, how crucial it is going to be, and what will you all be watching out for?
Well, I think, it's the first one out of 3 debates, and so it's probably the most important one because we'll get an idea of how each candidate is going to focus on the economy. I think taxes will be a big issue, and obviously with a Biden victory, that would be a Democratic victory, we're going to have higher taxes next year. And I think he'll be open about it, as he has been in the past, and said that he's going to raise taxes. On the other hand, Trump will probably continue to focus on low tax rates, but I want to make one thing clear, that I believe whoever wins the election is going to have to raise taxes next year. We have huge deficits, runaway deficits, that are not sustainable. So the perception that would come tonight from the candidates obviously is meaningful, but the bottom line is that they're going to have to raise taxes next year.
Hi, Peter. Thank you so much for being a part of India Tonight. We've just seen the Dow currently trading about 120 points in the red. Going into the first presidential debate, are markets usually nervous, or do you think that today is perhaps just a breather after the glorious Monday that we saw?
Yes, you hit the nail on the head when you said a breather. I don't think it has anything, I don't think it's an exact anxiety over this evening's debate, but I just think, we had 2 days of back-to-back rallies that you could consider solid, and so we're seeing a little bit of a breather, and investors are taking some money off the table. Today we had 2 pieces of economic news which were quite good. We saw the Case-Shiller Home Index go up by 4.8%, but more importantly, we saw a huge spike in consumers' confidence, which the index has been hovering around that 74, 75 level, and today and this month's reading, we saw it take a big leap towards a little over 100, which is very good, because that means that consumers are confident, and that also means that consumers are not really worried about who might win the presidency, and so that's good news. And I think that today's market action is just normal profit taking, and I wouldn't put too much into this decline.
All right, on that note, Peter, appreciate you taking your time out and speaking with us today on ET Now on India Tonight.